start Swiffering.
KIOW is testing its emergency alert system. Remember, this is only a test. The data tones you just heard are used in the emergency alert system, and they would have been followed by emergency information had this been an actual emergency. KIOW serves the area of Mason City operational area, and that includes Winnebago, Hancock, Kossuth, Worth, and Saragota counties. This concludes KIOW's test under the emergency alert system.
MBT Bank in Forest City, Clear Lake, Lake Mills, and Rochester.
There's nobody out.
Just tell it to play Minnesota 97.5, Rochester's greatest hits.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This has been a test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed with further instruction. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Do you promise to love, honor, and cherish, forsaking all